Uber drivers keep getting pricey tickets from Surrey bylaw officers, but today the company was in court seeking an injunction to bring the fines to a halt. The strategy: slam the mayor and the city's licensing system. Our Penny Daflos was in BC Supreme Court today, and Penny, these were some pretty unusual proceedings.
Well, it was definitely a day that I wish cameras were allowed in Canadian courtrooms, which they are not. The judge had tough questions for the city's lawyer about the mayor's public comments, which that lawyer tried very hard to downplay. Surrey is hostile territory for Uber drivers still being slapped with $500 fines from bylaw officers. So company lawyers were in BC Supreme Court for an injunction, saying they're faced with an impossible situation.
There is no business license for Uber to purchase. And then the city says, but you're operating without a business license.
Uber says until they can buy a license, provincial approval is all they need, alleging the mayor's advocacy for the taxi industry is getting in the way, calling these comments illegitimate posturing.
We will not be issuing any business license to ride-sharing companies themselves.
Going on to say Doug McCallum's comments last week.
I support ride-hailing. I have said that from day one.
Contradict earlier statements.
I don't support ride-sharing. It's a predatory type industry.
In an eyebrow-raising exchange, the city's lawyers told the court McCallum is only one member of council stating his own opinions. The judge pointed out mayors speak for their cities. The mayor on his own does not decide whether business licenses are issued, said the city's lawyer. Does he know that? Asked Madam Justice Jackson. Frankly, it doesn't matter if he knows that, the lawyer responded.
People are not happy with their use of the resources we have with bylaws right now, how they're being deployed.
This Surrey councillor believes taxis and ride-hailing can both thrive in Surrey as they do elsewhere.
My concern now moving forward is that as a result of all the tension that's been caused by trying to block ride-hailing out of Surrey, is that we're not stepping off on the best foot forward to really serve the residents of the city of Surrey.
The mayor's office wouldn't comment on the day's developments, saying the matter is before the courts.
So, Penny, who had the better arguments in court today?
Well, you know, it's interesting. Uber said the premier, transportation minister, and mayors around the region agree provincial approval is all that's needed if there's no business license requirement. But the city's lawyer pointed out courts have proven that the majority and governments have been wrong in the past. Madam Justice Jackson will deliver her decision Friday morning, Mijang.
Thank you, Penny.